Hey everybody, it's Andy. I just got this big box of Goruck in the mail, and I thought I would do an unboxing and first impressions. So, yeah, you can see tape is still on, haven't opened it yet. All right, and here we go. This is the Goruck GR1X Carryology Guerilla X collab bag. This is the 26-liter version. They sent out an email earlier today saying that the 21-liter version wasn't actually going to be shipped until next week for some people. So fortunately, I was able to get this in right away. And here we go. It's the same size and everything as the GR1, but it's in this nice, heavy-duty, shiny Dyneema fabric. I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but you get these nice lines. It feels really good. It's not as, I guess it is a bit crinkly. Over here in the front, we have this nice titanium Velcro patch that they did with Dan Matsuda. Very nice, very cool. Looking inside, we've got that orange liner. Over here, Goruck GR1 Carryology GR1XC1, built in the USA, made in the USA there. We've got the orange accent here. Oh, this actually feels nice. This is a Cordura, I think. We got the smaller pocket, also lined with the orange. And then we got these nice little orange bits on the molly. It's a slick bag. There's none of the Pals webbing on the side or the front or even on the shoulder straps. But then here we have the interior of that extra pocket. So right here on the back, this is the same pocket that they have on the Heritage model, nice and orange on the inside. It's just about big enough to fit. This is a Tom Bin 3D organizer cube that I filled pretty well. And it fits in there, but it's a tight fit. And you can see it eating up space on the inside there. But yeah, this feels really nice. Shoulder straps, still pretty comfy. But I think it's pretty awesome. And I look forward to giving this one a try. So these sold out during the initial drop very quickly. But on Tuesday, there are a few partners. I know Suburban and Huckberry, and I think one more. You can check on the article linked below. We'll be having a very limited release of a few more. So if you want one of these, you can either get one on the secondary market or try and get one over there. But thank you all for watching. I'm going to try to use this for a little bit, and maybe I'll do a bigger review and a comparison with some other bags later on. If you like content like this and want to see more, please smash the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Thank you very much again, and have a good day.